To those of you that would like to change your name or your picture in your personal Zoom account, the free Zoom account is the one that picks up your picture and or your screen name that shows up when you join a meeting at CLR. I'm going to go to the icon upper right. It's actually one of your screen images if you've already loaded a picture onto the Zoom free account. If I click on that, the list of settings that I can change in the middle of that list is roughly is the name My Profile. I'm going to click on that. Once the profile page opens up, I can edit screen name. Right now my screen name is Bob Bertolasi. I'm going to edit that. I'm just going to change the screen name to Robert. And then I would like to change my picture perhaps. So I'm going to go and I'm going to change the image picture that I have here. So I'm going to upload a new picture. And for that, I'm going to go to working. And I've put a couple of different pictures in here. I'm going to take this picture from Homer Bay, Alaska. I'm going to upload that. Once the picture gets there, you can see what it's going to look like when the screen, when you turn your video off. This is what the screen picture would look like. So I'm going to change that aspect a little bit, get a little bit more of the image in here. That looks about right. That's kind of the way I'd like to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now before I leave, I need to save these changes as well. In order for that Robert to stay, I have to save the changes here. Once those changes are all saved, the button disappears. You'll notice the Save button disappears. And I'm going to now leave this account. I'm going to go back to the panel, the Zoom panel that opens up when you click on the icon. And I'm going to start a new meeting so I can check this out. So here we are. I have a new meeting started. I'm going to stop the video. And there is the picture that I just picked out to use as my screen picture when I have my video stopped. Notice that the name has now changed to Robert Bertolasi. We're going to go in and undo those changes. And I'm going to show you how that's done just as quickly. I'm going to close this meeting, end this meeting for all, which stops this meeting. And then I'm going to go back to this panel. I'm going to click on the access icon again. I'm going to go down to my profile again. I'm going to get to my profile. I'm going to edit and change that display name to Bob. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this picture back to the original picture that I use. So I'll just change that picture back. Now once that picture is in there, I'm going to go ahead and resize this and move it up just a little bit. That's about center. That's about right. So I'm going to save that. Now this is what should be showing when I turn my video off. I'm going to go ahead and check and make sure. I had not saved that change yet to Bob, so until I hit this button and save that change, you notice the button disappeared again. It would have still been Robert. I'm going to go ahead and close this panel, and that's the profile panel that I had open. Now I'm going to go ahead and start a new meeting so we can test this out. And if you'll see when I start a new meeting, if I stop my video, there's the picture that we were looking for. I've stopped the video. And now you'll see the screen name is also back to Bob Bertolasi. So that is the way that you can very easily change your screen name and your image for when you have your video stopped. Be happy to help out anybody that needs any further information on this. Just send me an email and I'd be happy to help you with it. And again, welcome, and we appreciate the fact that you stopped in at the CLR YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day.